Do you want to know how you can add the English course on your Duolingo account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the English course on your Duolingo account. So go ahead and open Duolingo, which is on your phone, and you can see the language option on the top. Go ahead and tap on it and click on course. Now you can see the English language over here, so go ahead and tap on it, click continue. Wait for a while, and then your language option will load up. If it doesn't show up, you can search for English down below. You can see that there is no option of English, so that was our only option. Go ahead and go to course and select intermediate English and click continue. You can see that you can select this, so you must start the unit 1 lesson 1.
When you do something for the first time, you have never done it before that time.
A traveler is a person who travels.
How many countries have you been to? Excited.
My daughter is a traveler, too. She visits a new country every month.
Planes take off and leave one airport. A few hours later, they land at another airport.
Do you only have this small backpack?
No.
You can get your suitcase after the plane lands.
A traveler is a person who travels.
And there you go. After you've completed the course, click on Claim XP and you can click continue. And this is how you add the English course on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.